All right, easy now. Bring it down right there. That's good.
We spent 3 years on the frame-off restoration. Every nut and bolt is factory correct, right down to the carburetor.
When I first got this SS, it was just a shell. But we poured our hearts into it. Every late night in this garage was worth it. Now look at her.
Beautiful ride, man.
Thank you, we love it.
$80,000 do I hear? 90. 90,000. Going once, going twice, sold.
We rebuilt the carburetor twice to get it just right.
And the paint job, is that original?
The color is factory spec, but the clear coat is modern.